Hi, today is day 102, day 102, and let's talk about failures and change of behavior. And so what I'm planning to do, what I'm trying to do this year is making a lot of mistakes and be numb to it to the point where you don't care anymore what other people will think, and you don't care yourself what you will think yourself. Because for example, in my case, I always overthink things that are embarrassing, humiliating, and the awkwardness. But I wanted to be more comfortable with it and embrace it. And what I realized about that idea is that the goal is not just to be numb by it, but at the same time becoming better because of it through change of behavior. And I've learned that from Alex Hormozy, and he said that the goal is not to fail, but the goal is to win. That is why you have to have a change of behavior. That way you'll be successful with what you do. Like for example, if you're trying to be articulated in your communication, it's not just being exposed by how you will experience failures, but it is a matter of how will you refine your behavior after that failure. That way you're never gonna experience it again. And I find it mind blowing because my idea is not that complete. It is a great idea, but it isn't complete. It has to have a change of behavior. That way the goal is still to win. And I'd say if I were to, because I'm usually stubborn, so what I'm gonna do is still chasing failures. I'm still gonna chasing failures. I'm gonna still change failures, and I'm gonna use what works right now for me, and then I'm gonna change it after when it doesn't work out anymore. Because I believe that there are levels of ideas that you have to choose or you have to use in order for you to get to the next level. But right now, wanting to win all the time exhausts me. So it's not optimal when it comes to playing the long game and being able to grow every single day. Because if my goal is always to win, I'm definitely gonna be lean again into perfectionism, which I don't want to do it right now. But I value more spontaneity and being able to just articulate what my thoughts are and being able to structure it in a way that people will understand it, and it will go smoothly based on how they will perceive my words and my communication style. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna say bye for now. as much as I want to talk more, I believe that I am now in a point where I have to refine my thought patterns, because volume is not just always the thing, because I believe I've done it for day 100, and now I have to, like I said earlier, go to the next level and use different ways on how to become effective on what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna use some structure like prep method, star method, or para method. But I'm gonna work on just one structure or two right now. I'm not sure if I was able to do that. I'm gonna check it out later, and I'm gonna check this video later and see if I was able to prove my point, and at the same time there's structure through it to it. So say bye for now. That's it.